What's up, guys? And today I just finished coffee, but if you're wondering how I have a house, each were named like Mr. B, Mr. C, Mr. Heast or Cease or something. I don't know, but he was literally giving away his house for $1. So I of course I bought his house. Now I don't have $1, bro. I'm broke now, just for paying $1 for a house. But we're gonna back down to TLX. But it's nice to have a garage now, so I can park my truck in it. I used to just sleep in my truck, but now I can sleep in a big old bed. Anyways, we're gonna head into town where, well, the dealer's kind of on the other side of town. My house and 11 and limited mythic trucks is on the other side of each on the other side of town. But we're going to pull in here with TLX, park it in here. But I did get an employee. His name is James. This is his truck is at old Rodeo. Very nice truck though, but anyways, his name's not whatever, it's James, I forgot. But pretty nice truck, but it's old Rodeo, really nice. But he just dropped me off here to get a new work truck. So I got your package deal from the sawmill. It's the 82's TLX 2020 6.7 liter with a 82's trailer, 100 feet long, I believe. Anyways, we bought your package deal for about 20 grand from the old F100 we sold. But this is a really nice truck. I bought it for towing since we need a work truck to get around stuff. It is a dually, if you can't tell, since the flatbed's kind of covering it all up. But we're going to go pick up a truck to work on. It's right there. It's NMC Scarik or Scarik. I can't even remember. But we're gonna load down the ramps. But yeah, there we go. We got the ramps down. Very long trailer, but oh crap, the entire front's smashed into. Well, of course, because they're just crashing into that cement pipe every time. Bro, it's destroyed, the front end. Oh my goodness, bro. Just imagine the damage, okay? Literally, their windshield's broken. I have a trash bag covering up since the window broke. The wheel is literally in the air, bro. It's literally off, it's kind of going in on an angle in. It's oh my gosh, bro, this is destroyed. Anyways, we're gonna go talk to the owner, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, I just talked to him. It's a little 17-year-old kid selling his first truck. But he acted like a squad truckler, no cap. But I'm gonna hop in the truck. I don't even care if I run over his fence. He probably won't care if he doesn't take care of his stuff. He claims his dad ran into his truck, and his truck ran straight into the pavement. Bro, his probably don't even have a dad. His dad probably got the milk, bro. Left to get milk, bro. He just probably parked. He's probably blaming on his dad, bro. I don't know how to start this up. But truck, I have the steering wheel going forward, and yet the tire's on an angle. And the truck literally just turned off in there, bro. Anyways, we're gonna hop in the truck and drive it all home. It's not as bad as a squad truck, but it's still pretty bad. But we're gonna head to a dealer, make a turn. Oh, the truck just literally like just fell off, bro. Forward, okay. And it's going, oh, it's goofy out. It's on an angle. Honestly, don't care if it falls off, bro. It's literally destroyed. I'm just gonna drive on the field. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that. Oh my goodness. It can definitely be a nice truck. It just needs a little, no, not a little, ginormous work, bro. I'm gonna hop in it. Yeah, just scrape the bomb. I don't care, man. Bro, I'm just gonna run into the pole since I honestly don't care. Just smash it up. We're gonna park next to a tool trolley for James, but the thing literally just turned off, bro. Bro, it just turned off again. Oh my goodness, this truck is gonna die. It's gonna be so much work. We're gonna pull around the 2020 back around. Yes, the 2020. Bro, we did pull up the ramps once. Wait, what button is it? Bro, it has electric ramps. Like, there's a wire that puts it up. This trailer is not cheap, bro. It almost costed more than a truck. Bro, what button is it? Okay, there. I found it. It's the button that says full up ramps. Pull it around here. Press A. Yeah, I don't. Plus, there's a piston. If I press this button, detach trailer in my truck, the piston will like push off the gooseneck where it just uncaps and I can drive away from it. But when I say attach trailer, it has like magnets will attract the gooseneck hitch to the hitch. But yeah, it's pretty nice. But I just got done. I went online and oh, James got the truck done. Oh, that was so much better, man. But I did data and I bought another truck online. It's probably the ugliest truck ever. Like you're gonna wish you never saw it ever, bro. Like honestly. But again, the wrong truck. Gonna hop into 2020. Got the tow mirrors out. But yeah, that NMC is looks really nice right now, bro. We're gonna back up. Use the magnetic rim, and we're just gonna drive on a field. It's my field. I don't care. Hopefully soon when they upgrade the shop. I hope soon. We'll just get grass, normal grass, instead of having like plants everywhere. But who would be driving to? Anyways, the person who I bought from, his son bought this truck. It's the ugliest truck ever. He said he honestly doesn't care how much I want to pay for it. He just said he just wants it off his lawn since it's ugly. He literally said, I don't care if it's $2. You can have it if you buy it for $2. Anyways, yeah. Hold on a second. The thing with this trailer is the fact that it takes forever. Well, I can't even get around curbs. Like, it won't go around curbs, but yeah, we're just gonna turn right. We're just gonna turn right now. But, oh, I didn't mean to turn that much. Anyways. Oh yeah, there's the truck. The worst truck. you'll see why it's the worst truck to ever exist. You will, trust me. Fold down the ramps. Can I jump it? No, I cannot. Yeah, here's the truck. It's a TLX 2500. It's his 17-year-old son. The reason why it's squatted. You guys might not be able to see it since my phone's on an angle. It might look perfect for you, but you can tell it's squatted. But yeah, as you can see, it doesn't even have a lift kit in it. But I'm gonna go buy it, and yeah. Okay, guys, I paid for it. It literally only cost me like, I bought it for 2 cents, man. He didn't care. Well, I didn't have any tax because it was 2 cents, not even $1. But it literally has it has a dually bed, but yet the truck only has 1 tire, and it doesn't have a lift kit in it. It has 2 big pallets. He said his son couldn't afford a $500 lift kit, so instead he bought 2 $3,000 weed killer tanks. Yeah, I don't understand. So that's how it's squatted. You know, it's literally has copper head. It's literally copper head, bro. It's literally all copper. It looks ugly, bro. And like the bed and oh, it smells so bad. I cannot. No, I did get up, bro. Oh, it smells so bad. I'm telling James right now to get an oxygen mask for him. Oh, it smells. You know why? Because there's literally like 20 billion, like 20 billion, like 20 billion of those like tree 20 billion of those like tree air fresheners, bro. It smells crappy, bro. But I have an oxygen mask in 2020. Just put it on. I shouldn't smell the truck or breathe in air of it. Okay, there's literally like animal fur, like it's all like copper color, bro. It smells terrible. What? There's literally like Crown Royal, like I don't even know what they're called on the sun visors, bro. Oh my goodness. So this, he said, it's a diesel truck. So yeah, it's a diesel. Apparently, what does not sound good? He put gas in the truck. Yeah, he definitely put gas in the truck. It doesn't smell good. How am I even smelling it for the mask, dude? And it doesn't even sound. It sounds terrible, man. Oh, bro, never put gas in diesel trucks, please. And never have a squad truck, please. I might as well just sell this like whistle diesel, bro. I might as well. Oh, full of the Rams. Bro, now my clothes smells like it. Oh, the good thing is, I always have like a extra set of clothes. It's like I'll fold it up in a little grocery bag, just in case stuff like this, where trucks smell like crap, bro. But yeah, it smells terrible. I'm definitely gonna have to change into those. We'll pull out here in the 2020. Ooh, what's happening? Of course, the trailer's getting caught on a fence. It smells like crap. My clothing, enough, bro. Ooh, I'm literally, you know what I want to do right now? I want to take the squad truck, take it, back it far away from the shop, further out from the shop in the field, grab a lighter, light the gas can, and have the truck explode, bro. Like I'm, oh, ow, bro. Oh, we just flipped the truck. Let me try a trick here. This usually works. Yep, turn it, tilt the truck, tilt it, the tire. It's not working. Just keep on trying. You know, I'm getting out, bro. Wait, you don't have an idea. I unhook the truck, then hop in TLX, and try flip this over and ram straight into the trailer because the 3500, the squad truck, literally, bro, is literally squad, so I don't care if it gets destroyed, man. Anyways, apparently, the truck is literally made out of copper. The entire truck is made out of copper, just spray painted on top of some parts. So his truck literally can get destroyed so easily, bro. Anyways, James just said we can use his truck since he has a freaking titanium bumper in the front. Bull bumper, what's made out of titanium. So it should not even have a scratch on the bumper, bro, after hanging over. We're gonna drive here. Should I knock over the truck first? Yeah, there we go. Okay, now is this. I don't care if it destroys the squad truck, bro. Okay. Oh crap! Literally the roof of the truck is literally in caving in, bro. Oh, we just broke the entire, and then the entire like door and windshield broke and everything, in, bro. Yeah, there's not even a scratch on the bumper, since there's no original paint. This is the original. Like you can't, if you scratch it, there's no paint taken off, bro. It's just plain titanium, but we're gonna go get in the 2020, pull it around, and we're destroying the crops, but I don't care, bro. And we just carved that trailer. You just killed crops, bro. We don't need it. But I could probably make money though off of it. But we just hit the wheel a little bit. Oh, you know why? Because the metal pole is caught up against the back end of the cab, the corner of the cab, bro. Yeah, put it in here, turn it off. Hop in with ugly squad truck, bro. Put oxygen mask on. It sounds terrible. I literally just want to rip that toner off, bro. I'm thinking about ripping that toner off, right off, bro. Ooh. We're just gonna park it right here. Yeah. Oh, actually, I just ripped off toner, but that's gonna be the end of the video.